Yo, what's good, everybody? Now, over the weekend, I was driving and my tire touched a curve. I did not realize. While the wheel was spinning, it was on the curve, and my entire rims got damaged. Well, guess what? I'm gonna fix it today. All right? So let's go. So, if you look right here, I mess my rims up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tape off the tire, tape off right here. I'm going to spray it back in black. I'm going to take a little sandpaper and sand it down a little and spray it back in black. I might spray the lip in red, not right now. I'm going to put this back in black, and if it come out good, just going to spray the whole lip in red. All right. The first thing what I'm doing is taking a small piece of sandpaper and just sand it around. I hope it work and I hope it turn out good. Or else, I don't know what I'm going to do. Brand new again.